to customize the navbar on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we're gonna open settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to the lock screen and AOD setting. In here we can find the navbar option, and this is where we can customize navbar. Unfortunately, options are kind of limited, and in here we can see live notifications, so apps that are allowed to be displayed on the navbar and controlled, of course. So if you want to exclude certain apps, then you can turn them off over here. Unfortunately, in some cases these options might not be available to use, but usually the reason for that is that you need to actually allow these apps to send you notifications. Generally speaking, you should be able to control specific apps in here. Also, we should be able to find the now brief option, which we can disable. Also, there is the current mode, do not disturb, and flashlight, which can be toggled quite easily. Unfortunately, you cannot add apps of your choice that should be controllable on the navbar. And yeah, that is pretty much it. We can only control these apps that you can see in here. Leave a like and subscribe.